Hi, I'm David and I'm here to help you answer your question. Now let me bring up your question here. In the question here, we're given the sample of the 20 residential customers. So the keyword here will be the sample. Let me remind you that when we talk about the sample and then the result come from the sample will be called the statistics. And if we talk about the population and then the result come from the population will be called the parameter. Now, in the question, I asked me to find the arithmetic mean. So we know that the mean, it will equal denoted by the x bar. The formula will be the sum of everything we divide by n. So let me sum up everything in the data there. We have the 54, 78, 68, 54, 28, 48.